Gator.
Look at all the paint. Let's go. Let's go find all the paint.
Whoa. Stay close to the sidewalk.
Watch me leave them.
You got a bike. It keeps on spreading. And spreading. And it starts to clear up. But it's still there, you know. You know it's there. All the way to it stops somewhere near here. It took me a minute just to show you all that stuff. Now I'm going to show you again. Just for torture.
Watch me leave.